Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to factorize 25m square minus 10m plus 1. So this is look like quadratic. So we are going to solve with the help of the constant term. So our constant term is 1. We have to multiply with the coefficient of m square, that is 25. So 1 times 25 is 25. Now I have to break this 25. So I get the sum or subtraction of the middle term. So I need minus 10m. So 25, I can write it as 5 times 5 is 25, or minus 5 minus 5 is 10. So I can write it as also minus 5 times minus 5, that gives us plus 25, or minus 5 minus 5 is give us minus 10. So I'm going to replace the middle term with minus 5m plus 1. Now from the first two terms, I can take 5m as common. So 5m minus 1 is left. And from these term, I can take negative sign as common. So 5m minus 1 is left. Now from the, I can see both the brackets are same, so I can take it common. So 5s minus 1 is common. So 5m minus, there is nothing, that means 1 is left. So we have two factorization rules, 5m minus 1 or 5m minus 1. I hope it's clear and easy to find. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.